All right. Happy Tuesday Newsday.
Woohoo!
Sarah here with
Katie.
And okay, we have like so much fun stuff to talk about. This week is going to be insane in Hamilton. So I hope that you plan. We're giving you a couple days planned to come on out. It is going to be Missouri Star Days, right?
Yeah, first time ever.
First time we've ever done it.
Yeah. There's going to be so much going on in town. We've got lots of fun stuff going on. And it's Chuck's birthday.
Dude, Chuck is 18, you guys.
He's an adult now.
I mean, kind of, right? There's not a lot anymore that you can do that like marks 18, except that like we're not kicking him out of the house. You know?
I know, yeah, he can stay. He can stay.
He can't smoke. He can't. What else is it that happens? Like, remember, it used to be like, I mean, not that I would even do that, but I remember it was like a thing where it's like, you know, you could buy cigarettes or. I don't know. It's just like 18 used to be a milestone. I feel like it's just kind of like
just a number now.
He's just still a kid, and probably because I have kids that are over 18 and they're still my babies, so I don't think of it as a big thing. Yes, so Missouri Star Days and Chuck's birthday is going to be April 23rd. It's going to be the start of Missouri Star Days, and April 24th is Chuck's birthday. So we're doing a bunch of stuff those days.
Those 2 days, the 23rd and the 24th.
Yeah. So definitely come. Like, let's see, we're going to be doing demos, a bunch of demos in the town. We're going to be showing you like you're going to get to try out all of the Missouri Star branded stuff. You get to, try before you buy. There's going to be demos. Like, you're going to just have so much fun. It's just this whole showcase of all the things that we have to offer. And it'll be really fun.
It's going to be so cool.
You really will get to like feel it and touch it, try it.
See if you like it before you decide to buy it. And it's going to be so fun. There's also going to be, I think on that Thursday, there's bingo. We're doing bingo at the theater. Win prizes. It's going to be so fun.
Okay, so
it's
bingo.
Going to be so fun.
Yeah, bingo is Thursday and Friday. It's a $20 ticket.
Yep.
And you get, let's see, what does it say? I have it on my paper because I will forget. A minimum of 6 action-packed bingo games. Woo. Amazing prizes up for grabs. And the satisfaction of knowing every dollar goes straight to charity.
Yeah. So every
raise,
ticket price,
we're donating to charity. And so that's actually so fun. But come and join us in the theater for bingo because that is going to be a blast.
Another fun thing that they don't do all the time is tours of the warehouse.
Yes.
They're going to be doing those both days. If you ever want to know, I know we've given you little sneak peeks of things going on at the warehouse and kind of what it looks like, but if you really want an in-depth tour of the warehouse and what goes on there, those will be happening the 23rd and 24th.
Yeah, and so you have to have a ticket. You can't just go. You have to go into main shop and request one. Just verbally say, I want a ticket. They'll give you a ticket. Let's see, the other things, you have to
have closed-toed shoes.
Yes, you have to have closed-toed shoes. You can't take pictures or videos, but you can look with your eyes.
They're about 30 to 40 minutes long, the tour is.
But you have to have a ticket.
Really in-depth.
Yes. So make sure that you get a ticket in the store. And then the tours last like 30 to 40 minutes. So it's going to be pretty in-depth. Like, you'll get to kind of really walk around and see it.
Meet some people. It's going to be so cool.
Yeah.
So fun.
Yep. And then, let's see, there's just a lot going on. So then we're going to celebrate Chuck's 18th birthday. Obviously, he's going to be there.
Yes.
So we'll get
Chuck will be here.
Have some
There'll be
time with
lots
Chuck.
of different games going on just outside and throughout town. So, what's one that was playing?
What?
Cornhole. They're doing cornhole.
Yeah, they're going to do, but that's going to be at the theater. So they're doing cornhole and Chuck the Duck, which is a duck tossing game.
Oh, that's fun.
So
I didn't know that.
Chuck, Chuck the Duck. Not up Chuck, just Chuck.
Oh, yeah. Chuck the Duck.
Chuck.
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't know why I always bring that up.
I love it.
But yeah, so please come to town. That is going to be so much fun. Just lots of stuff happening. So what about you, Katie? What else? Like, how's your wedding planning going?
It's going. We're getting close, hopefully, mostly. We have most of the big stuff booked, most of the things. Now it's just kind of down to the nitty gritty. I still have not figured out florals. I know that's a big one.
You guys, she has 1,000 pictures. I just have to pick
And so that's that's kind of my big project right now, is trying to figure out all of the florals. Other things that I've been doing. Oh, yesterday, the Feathers and Floss kit was released.
Wait, it was?
Yeah. Yesterday.
I don't think so. I don't think it releases till the 20th.
Yesterday was the 20th.
Ah! Is it really?
Yes.
Why do I keep getting my days mixed up? Because I'm thinking, guys.
Today's the 21st.
Oh my gosh.
Yesterday was the 20th.
I am so confused about dates right now. I literally.
It's a whirlwind with all the wedding planning and everything.
And it's really bad because I look at my calendar every day. I have to. But then I don't think about the date until the evening because I have this little journal that I write in. And it's so dumb. And I'm like, I have to check on my phone. Like, is that the date? Literally. That is so funny.
I know.
Okay.
But anyway,
so, yes.
So that one did release yesterday, and I was able to snag one, and I started it, and I literally worked on it all night. It's so cute. Let me show you.
She has been loving it. This is really fun.
So it comes in this little project keeper, which is so nice because then it's all organized because we all know me, not super organized. And it comes with, that is true. So it comes with the whole like peel and stitch book, which is so cool. And so you can see I've already cut a bunch of pieces out of it, but you just kind of cut them out and they peel and stick, and these are the ones that dissolve in water.
It's basically like, it's like an adult craft coloring book type thing.
Gosh, yeah.
So it's like, you know how like you can buy the sticker books for your kids? It's kind of like that. It's that essence of that, but it has the whole like project. It has like your stitch guide. It shows you again, reminds you what stitch is stitch.
There's a super cute pattern with it for a little like wall hanging. But I decided to put, so I started one chicken. Here's his body. And then I'm working on his,
I'll hold it.
I'm working on his head and his tail feathers. I put them both on. They don't go together like that, but I put them both on. But I actually stitched a chicken and I put it on a
tea towel.
My dad makes sourdough all the time, so I was like, you can wrap your sourdough in a chicken. So I made this guy.
Cute.
It's so fun, guys. But in the kit, you get the really cute scissors, the little baby scissors. And then,
but seriously, they're so keep getting
cute.
All of the kits, you guys, that the team is building is just so cute.
They're amazing.
It's so fun. They care about all these details that are so, like, it seems silly, but it's so fun. Like, these are adorable, and
but
it matches. I mean, it's cute.
It comes with, like, the needle, and the needle minder is... Okay, I'm obsessed with chickens. I've always loved chickens.
Oh, we have to tell them your funny chicken story.
Oh, I have always loved chickens. So during COVID, I convinced my dad to get chickens, and I built a chicken coop with him, and have just
they built a whole coop.
Like
literally, it's like a she shed type coop.
Cute. It's so cute. But when I was little, my grandma, so Jenny. She had little like chicken decorations.
Yeah, so like you know, on your cabinets in your kitchen, you have that little gap. She always has it decorated just so cute.
She had some chickens and things.
She had chickens and dishes and like really cute. Like she always has it cute, but she had a lot of chickens.
But when I was little, I would call her the chicken grandma
because
that's what I would remember. I would remember all the chickens.
Well, I was like, we're going to grandma's, and Katie went, the chicken grandma, and we were like, what are you talking about?
Who is that? Because she didn't have chickens. She just had chicken decorations.
Well, and you don't call her that out loud.
No.
But you were just wondering if we were going to Dad's mom or my mom. And it was so funny to us because you were like, are we going to the chicken grandma? And it took us like
first time
forever to try to figure out what she was talking about. And then we realized she was talking about
But I have always loved chickens. I just think they're so.
I don't think Mom,
chickens and ducks. I
don't know if Mom really enjoyed being the chicken grandma
no.
for a little bit.
No.
But it was so funny.
But it was
we
funny.
Just loved to tease her. And then Mom was like,
to look at this.
I guess we actually do. I do
have
a lot of chicken decorations.
But look at this needle minder. It is so cute. It's just a little chicken. Yeah. It's so cute. I almost just want to put it on my fridge just because it's so cute. Oh. But you get the needle and the needle minder. You get the embroidery hoop, all of the little peel and stitch needles. You also get all of these templates. So you get the body, the head, the tail feathers.
Are those templates like basically outlines of these that then you can do your own designs in?
Yeah. So if you don't want to do the embroidery, You can make so many other chickens in so many different ways.
Not even if you don't want to do embroidery, but if you want to make more,
yes,
without
with your own.
like just with your own kind of design in the middle.
So there's all of these different ones. The heads, the tail, or the tail feathers, and the little, what are they called? The wings.
And they all nest inside of each other,
yes.
like so it's not a big mess.
And then you get a huge pack of the embroidery floss. So I have already taken mine apart, so it's a mess. But oh my gosh, it really is a mess. But so many different colors.
They're so cute.
So many different colors. There's so many things you can do with it. Oh, I'm getting stuck in it. It's so fun, guys.
Yeah.
I always say I love a project, and I'm really good at starting projects and things.
Well,
but this is one that I think I will finish because I'm
the
obsessed
fun
with
thing
it.
with this is there is a pattern,
yes.
right? So there's a pattern
that is true.
for like you can lay it out that way, or you really can just like
do
Katie
your own
did.
theme,
You can
yeah.
put it on a tea towel. You can put a chicken on an apron. Like we were talking about all kinds
yes.
of like fun things. Like that is actually the best part about embroidery and applique is that you can really do what you can put it on a bag, like a cute little tote bag.
Oh my gosh, that would be so cute.
It would, and so like. And you can change up colors, right? Depending on like if you're gifting it to someone, something that they really love and different backgrounds. Like that's just what makes it fun is you really can make it your own and like
That's
really
so cute.
unique to like the person
Yeah.
you're giving it to. And I love that.
I love it. It's so fun.
And
And
you get to
truly,
stay
like,
organized. Look at this,
oh
you
my
guys.
gosh.
Believe me,
I'm not
it would
usually
not be
this
this
organized.
organized if she didn't have this.
I am a chaotic crafter. I am a chaotic crafter, 100%. And I, believe it or not, I am very much a beginner.
Yeah.
Very much a beginner with all things sewing related. I like to pretend that I know more than I do.
Listen, it's in her blood though, right? It's those
But-
genes. It's flowing.
I hope. But there are so many things that I haven't
me
tried.
in
You are creative too. But there really are so many of the projects that I have started or have bought and have been so terrified to start because I really don't know that much. And there are so many like doing
but it's user friendly enough that
it's true, yeah. Well, and all of these kits and stuff are so beginner friendly. They're very self-explanatory. They have the videos that I can always go back to.
Yeah.
But doing the Road to a Million quilt, as easy as a 9-patch is, sewing 5-inch squares together, I have learned so much.
Yeah.
I have learned that it is very important to keep a 1/4-inch seam.
You
That
guys.
makes a big difference.
Okay, I kept trying to tell her. I was like, Caitlin.
I was like, it's fine. It's just sewn together, whatever.
well, and
No, it makes
she's
a difference.
also cutting all the blocks, right? So she's learning. I'm like, these have to be accurate,
have to be
Katie. They
exact.
don't match up, and she's just like, whatever.
Like, it's just a tiny...
Right,
I mean,
yeah.
using scraps, so they're not all perfect. Like, some of the things that I'm cutting aren't very perfect. I'm like, this is fine. Here, no. It makes a big difference. Ironing also makes a big difference.
I'm so glad
Ironing's huge.
She has, okay, this is the kind of person Katie is, bless her
have
heart.
to figure-
She has to do it herself
I'm a little
to
stubborn.
figure it out.
Yeah.
Because we can tell her, I could tell her, Mom
I
could tell
believe
her.
them. I mean, I believe you.
But you
100%
have to
I believe
apply
you,
it
but-
yourself to figure
But
it
until I
out.
figure it out, and I'm like, crap. All right. Like, I made a
Yeah.
quilt on Valentine's Day.
You've
And-
actually made several quilts.
Yeah.
You do.
And I love it, but
I think
have
though,
not always prioritized
but with
that.
this,
So some of
with
the things.
the Road to a Million quilt, it's so big that the accuracy, like if you start getting off, like it starts going, like you really see it, and you can kind of, you know, there's a lot of like, especially smaller projects, you can kind of.
Correct in here and there.
Yeah.
And it's
It's
I mean,
good to
Grandma
learn.
always says finish is better than perfect, and I feel like that
Yes.
is my life motto with not only everything crafty, but literally everything.
Right.
Finished is better than perfect. And I stand by it because none of
Yeah.
my projects are perfect. But
But they
I mean,
don't
not-
have to be for
but
you
they
to
don't,
enjoy
and
it.
they don't. And
Yeah.
and if you're gifting, and I give all of my projects away. I always do. I give all my quilts away, and everyone
Yeah.
loves them, and it doesn't matter. And so it really is okay. If your seams don't line up, it's okay. If you forget to iron, it's okay. If your 5-inch square is just,
Yep.
4 3/8 inches instead of 5, it's okay.
Yeah.
But it is important. I'm learning.
No, it
I'm
is.
learning.
It is. And
But-
like that's such a good lesson because the truth is like we're all at different stages.
Oh yeah.
And so like and if being perfect stops you from doing it, like how sad is that, right? So we're really just, learning like the process
Just do it,
and going
it's
through.
Fun.
And
It's fun
just,
to try. It's fun to fail and learn, and I love
Yeah.
it. I love crafting. Sewing, embroidery.
Mm-hmm.
I have not tried English paper piecing yet, but I did buy a Stars of Liberty
I
kit.
went to, yeah.
And I'm going to try it. I will.
Yeah.
I will try it. I'm
it'll
terrified,
be
but I
so
will.
Fun.
So,
Yeah.
we'll see. It's going to be good.
Yeah, okay.
It's going to be so good.
Is there anything else that we need to talk about? I don't know. I think, honestly, like, I hope you guys come to town.
Please
Katie
do.
and I will be there. We'll be there for Chuck's birthday.
It's
and
gonna
just
be so
trying to
fun.
be silly and have a good time. And maybe we'll bring out the big giant Road to a Million quilt somewhere.
Ooh, yeah.
I don't know. Maybe.
Come
And
see, come
you
take
come
a
be
picture
in a
with it,
video.
you know.
Maybe we should do
We'll set up a
where we
little
have
station.
everybody
I
can
don't
be
know.
on it for a video or
Ooh,
something.
that
See
would
how
be
many
so
quilters we
fun.
can get on it.
Come
That'd be
be on
fun.
our quilt. Come have a picnic with us on our giant quilt.
Yes.
It's going to be so fun.
Absolutely. But anyways, this is just a few of the things that we have going on this week.
Yep.
Thanks so much for joining us for Tuesday Newsday. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. And yeah, just
We'll see you next time.
let us know.
love
And if
it.
you're in town and you see us, come and say hi.
Please do. We love it.
Yeah.
I love it. But
All
we
right.
love you guys. We could not do this without you guys. We love you.
Bye.
See ya.
Have a good week.